Hello class, welcome back. In this lecture, we're going to learn how we can get our OpenZeppelin contract artifacts. So we can go into the node modules folder in our project. And remember, this contains all of our packages, including OpenZeppelin. OpenZeppelin itself has contracts, and you have different folders in the contracts folder. The one that we're interested in is the build folder. This contains the contract artifacts. You see there's build contracts, then you have JSON files. These are contract artifacts. So we can copy that build folder with Command C on Mac or Control C on Windows, and then we can go back to our project folder and we can just paste the item in. So that we'll paste the build folder. So we copied it from OpenZeppelin into our project. The reason we have to copy it is because Truffle is going to look for a build folder when it's deploying your contracts. So you have to have a build folder with your contract artifacts. Now, the other option, if you want to create your own smart contracts, then you can write the smart contracts in the contracts folder. And then if you run the command truffle compile, that command is actually going to take all of your contracts and it will create the artifacts for them inside of build contracts. So if you want, you can add more of your own contracts into this project, and then to get the artifacts, you would just have to call truffle compile. You could even copy a contract from OpenZeppelin. So you can go into OpenZeppelin contracts, into one of the subfolders like token, and you can copy one of these tokens, or more likely the preset, because you do need a concrete contract, one that's not abstract. So you could even just copy this file and then put it into contracts. Then you can compile this with the command truffle compile. All right, so in our case, we just skipped that step because we just pasted the artifacts directly in. So this means we don't have to compile our contracts, they're pre-compiled. Right, so that is how you can get your OpenZeppelin contract artifacts, and also how you could create your own artifacts.